Hey friends, Mike, your homeowner builder, just like you at DIY Pool and Spas, just finished up plumbing day. So I'm going to take a minute and walk you around what the plumbing looks like. The guy's been great. It took them about 3 days because of the trenching they had to do for the gas line, for all the pipes, and the conduit. So I'll take you around and show you what the plumbing looks like. But a couple things that came up during the job were making sure that we had 3-inch piping for the spa, which was written in the plans, but my plumber didn't see it. He was going to do 2.5, and I just wanted to make sure that I stuck to the plans that I was with. And that was really about it. Everything else they did really great. They painted the pipes above ground. I'll show you that. Hooked up the equipment, pressure tested everything, cleaned up pretty good, and got everything installed. So let me walk you around and show you what the pool plumbing looks like.